Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart, and as I told you in my previous analysis of Bitcoin, we had this trend line and the price touched this two times, once here and the second time here, okay, and the third time was here, okay, which I told you that if we touch this level here, okay, the price can be rejected, okay. As I told you, in the 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, we can enter buy position if the price can break it to the upside and the candle can close, okay, the body of the candle can close out of this trend line, then we can go to the upside, okay, the price can go to the upside. But if it can't and instead it makes a candle exactly like this one here, okay, a pin bar candle, we can risk here and enter sell position like this one. We could enter here, put our stop loss above the candle like this one, and look for risk to reward 2. It gives us something around 2.5 somewhere here, okay. And let me clean it. It was all about that, but in lower time frames, if we check, let's check that if we have something or not. The price made a pullback to this level, but actually the price could go up if it could actually break this trend line to the upside. Otherwise, you know, as I told you, we can see lower prices of Bitcoin. We also did have this trend line broken here. We could wait for a trend line like this to be broken, then we could actually enter sell position with more safety and get our reward. Let's check lower time frames to see if we have anything or not. Right now the market is closed, okay. We don't have any volume in the market. Actually we do have volume, but it's not too much, okay, because it is Saturday and Sunday are the market closed. We will trade our crypto market with lower volumes. We can imagine some, you know, a trend line like this one here too, with 3 touches of the price on it. With the break of this to the upside, we can enter for reward 1 or something like that because of the market which is closed, and we can enter buy and sell positions with more with actually less risks. Like we can enter for rewards 1s, okay, reward 1s, not reward 2, and trade on crypto. Let's check the 5-minute time frame to see if we have anything or not. Nothing special. The 1-minute time frame, nothing again. Okay, thank you guys for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the education part, which I'm gonna teach you how to trade and show you the yesterday's positions actually, which I did make on Bitcoin, and you can watch them and learn from that part and trade in the real market. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next. Guys, if you didn't like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get updated by crypto and forex daily analysis. Also leave me a comment and tell me anything you like, and if you had any questions, I'm happy to answer them. As you can see on the Bitcoin 5-minute time frame, we are right now. The first position we did have was this one here with the trend line. Actually it was yesterday, but the position finished in the it's actually 2 days ago, okay, here on 13th of April, and the position was on the last actually in the something like 2 until 3 a.m. You know, it's getting complicated, forget about it. On the first position we did have this trend line, okay, broken here, we did enter buy position, put our stop loss below these candles, and we could also put it here too for more safety, and look for risk to reward too, which it gives us something around 11 somewhere here, which is a fantastic reward. We could also enter buy position with the break of this trend line here too. You can see the price breaks it and makes a pullback to that and starts pumping to the upside. On the second position, we did have this trend line again. You know, I've told you in my previous analysis why I do trade mostly with breakouts and trend lines, and whenever I trade with support and resistances, I lose money. I just get a stop loss. That's why I don't trade based on support and resistances. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time, it was broken somewhere here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above these candles or somewhere safer here or even here, and look for risk to reward too, which it gives us our target on this shadow here. And it is 5-minute time frame, and it means you have some minutes to decide here to close your position or not. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time, it was broken here again. We did have the chance to enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candles here, or it's even safer, and look for risk to reward too, which it gives us our target somewhere here. On the trade 4, we did have this trend line broken here. We did have the chance also, we could risk here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and look for risk to reward too, which it gives us something around 2.6 somewhere here. On the trade 5, we did have this trend line again with 1, 2, 3 touches, and it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles because it was near to our entry point. We did put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of something around 10. And it doesn't mean that we should take all those 10 rewards. Some people close their position somewhere here when they say when they see this pin bar here. Some people close it here, I don't know, on 2.5 or something like that, and miss the trend actually. If you have missed this position here, you could also enter sell position with the break of this trend line here, which it also had 3 touches. It was like this at the first look. Let me clean it. It was like this at the first look. You connect this one to this one, and it had 1, 2, 3 touches, 4 touches, and when you see that shadow there, you extend the trend line like this one. As you can see, this candle also reacted to this trend line. If we didn't extend it, it was like this, okay? And it is actually meaningless that why it's just rejected from here. It didn't touch anything. But when you extend the trend line like this one, it is also meaningful, okay? And we can have some meanings for that too. We could risk here also enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it of course gives us our reward too. On the last position, we did have this trend line, which it was like this at the first look. You connect this one to this one, and it gives us here. We can extend it, and it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles, and it gives us a reward of 3. And also you can see we had 4 candles, 4 shadows from upside after a small move to the upside, okay? It means it shows the weakness of the buyers, and we can exit our position somewhere here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to be updated by crypto and forex daily analysis. Also make sure to watch my short analysis too, under 1 minute analysis, and you can actually tell me in the comments that you like my videos or not, and you can ask any questions you like from me. Thank you and bye bye.